Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. In this verse of Ashtavakra Gita, Ashtavakra tells Raja Janaka and through him to all living entities. You may enjoy this world or you may undertake some work or do meditation, contemplation, debate, thinking, etc. But yet, despite all this, your mind will actually search for your real nature, which is beyond desire and which is the craving for realization of self. This is a fact. Every living entity, whether one who identifies with his or her mind body complex or someone who has already identified himself or herself with his or her self, are people who are in search of the truth, whether or not they like this, whether or not they are doing it knowingly or unknowingly. Enjoying the world, enjoying luxury, comfort, knowledge, yearning for knowledge, working day and night, meditating, contemplating, thinking within, reading of scriptures, etc., all are designed to achieve the same goal ultimately. Some achieve it sooner and some later. It is the desire to find out your real nature. Every individual wants that his mind should search for his or her own real nature and thus come to self realization and attaining Brahman. This is what Ashtavakra tries to tell Raja Janaka. There is no exception. Some people think that by enjoying all sense gratification ad nauseum up to saturation point, they will feel bored with it and then search for the truth. They are wrong. Self gratification can never be boring. Anyone who indulges in sense gratification gets addicted to it. So much so that the maximum he or she may go from one sense gratification to another. An alcoholic may go to drugs or to lust or sex, but this is something that will never ever stop till the living entity is alive in a particular birth, and even then, because of his or her past karma, becomes the same birth after birth, death after death. Some become workaholics. They want to indulge in some work to achieve material things. They become engineers, doctors, businessmen, industrialists, musicians, painters, artists, anything. They think that by working very hard towards that goal will ultimately make them bored of it, and then they will seek the truth. That is also not possible. Even working hard is an addiction. Bodybuilders, musclemen, athletes, sportsmen, etc., have gone on record saying that they had got addicted to pain, as a result of which they kept practicing more and more to improve their talent in whatever they were doing. Third, meditation. Yes, meditation is one thing where a person goes within himself or herself, keeps searching for the truth, ultimately reaches a saturation point from where he or she thinks that enough is enough. Let us start abiding in the self. Now we know that we are Brahman and we have identified our true self. Now it is only self realization, nirvikalpa samadhi, that is thinking about God all the time and thus going back to Godhead. The desire to lord it over material nature for such a living entity has already dried up. There is nothing left there. They don't want to enjoy sense gratification, nor are they interested in passion of working hard and hard and hard and achieving some material opulences. However, it has to be warned that unless you work hard, you won't reach the position of meditation. Hence, those who are working hard must not be discouraged from doing so, and they should work hard and ultimately reach meditational contemplative goals. This is what Ashtavakra says. Sense gratification is like poison. It is nectar in the beginning, but it ends up as poison in the end. However, working hard to attain success starts as poison in the beginning but ends up as nectar in the end, because once the person achieves what he or she wanted to achieve in this materialistic world, he or she becomes meditative and contemplative. Once you do that, once you have studied the scriptures, once you have masticated on the facts and come up with your own theories, then you start seriously thinking about self, the truth, and God. Till you reach that level, you feel restless. And this is what Ashtavakra says in his verse. Self abiding is the ultimate goal. Once you reach self realization, you need not come into this material world. It is not worth it. You need not think of lording it over material nature. You are the spirit soul, a spark from the eternal flame. Why not go back to the eternal flame? This is Mr. Ashtavakra's advice to Raja Janaka and to thus all entities, all living entities. Kindly let me know what you think of my talk on this matter. If you sincerely feel that what I am talking makes sense, please Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep reminding you of my other videos. Till we meet in my next video, it is good morning from TSV Raghavan.